Lovely to meet you, mate. What was your name?
I'm Alfie.
Alfie. Lovely to meet you. So, obviously, you go to uni. What year are you in?
I'm in final year, third year.
So, how long you got left?
About a month left.
Perfect. So, what are you studying?
I study nutrition.
Have you ever missed a lecture before?
Yes.
Yeah. What was the main reason you missed lectures?
Being at 9 a.m. Been at 9 a.m. and just not being able to wake up.
Yeah, that's understandable. What would make you want to go to those lectures more? Is it just the time they start?
I think it's the time they start, and if they're staggered as well, it's probably better. Because if they're all at once, you get a 2 hour lecture and then you get another 2 hour lecture afterwards. It's a little bit
Get a bit long.
yeah. Actually, you can't go for a break.
No, that's completely understandable. So, with the lectures that you don't miss, what makes you attend those lectures more? What's your favourite thing about them?
I think for us, on our course, the practical stuff that we did was probably the reason I came in, because it's getting your hands on, and I can't. I've got to. When I sit down for 2 hours, 4 hours, I struggle to concentrate quite a lot.
Yeah, no. So it's just the more engaging activities and stuff to get you. Yeah, no,